Gerber Wingtip Pocket Folding Knife. There are the specs. Got this for $20 at Academy Sports. It was like in the package this side up, but when I opened it, there are two little nicks here in the aluminum, which we're going to say has to be from the factory, but no big deal. I don't plan on this being a pretty knife. It's going to go in my fifth pocket. It may even go in my regular pocket and bounce around things, but it's a $20 knife, so I do like it overall. I like the color of the handle, the aluminum handle. I'm not a fan of bolsters, but it is what it is. And let's see here. Yep, centered. So it is a slip joint. It does have a half stop, and it does have a half stop and a mirrored blade. So three finger grip, but the bottom of it, the butt of the knife, can rest on your pinky. But anyway, yeah, it's got a little bit of side to side play. I haven't tightened the pivot yet, but there you go. That is the Gerber Wingtip slip joint.